Most people I work with would say that they want to be strong, but very few people can actually define what strong means. There are different ways to train. Bodybuilders mainly train for muscle size. Powerlifters mainly train for maximal strength. I don't think that most people need to live at either extreme. My approach is what I'd call functional strength, building muscle and strength together by lifting appropriately heavy weights, challenging to the nervous system, and taking muscles close enough to failure to stimulate growth. Using this method, you might not be elite at one thing. I certainly haven't been, but you can build a foundation that transfers to performance, health, and confidence. Feeling strong is subjective, but progress shouldn't be. Objective strength standards let you track progress, set meaningful goals, and remove the noise from your training. They turn exercise into training. I know that fat loss is the main goal for most people. What I've seen repeatedly is that when someone trains for performance, fat loss often follows. They train with intent. They clean up their nutrition because it feels worth it. They start ticking off goals, and suddenly the gym becomes part of who they are, not something that they force themselves to do. For someone new to structured strength training, here are some excellent first targets. So for males, benching half your body weight, squatting 3/4 of your body weight, and deadlifting 1/lot of your body weight. And for females, it changes very slightly. So bench pressing 0.4 of your body weight, squatting 3/4 of your body weight, and deadlifting your body weight. These numbers are going to show competence that you can lift well, consistently, and safely. As you progress, the goals shift to be strong and eventually impressively strong relative to your body weight. On screen, I'm going to flash up what I believe to be those standards. I love that these standards scale with your body weight because as that changes, it stays really personal to you and keeps you honest. This is something that I've been working towards for years now. Now, I might not be the biggest guy in the gym, but relative to my body weight, I am impressively strong, and that matters far more to me than how I look in the mirror or in one of those silly little gym selfies that some of you like to take. These standards aren't laws, they're practical, they're coach-tested targets that give people clarity and direction. If you disagree, tell me why in the comments. I'm always open to discussion, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.